Hi everyone, welcome back to my videos. In this video, I will show you how to set the RAM speed on MSI motherboard. First of all, you need to enter MSI BIOS setting like this. To do that, you power on the PC and you press the down option like this. And you finally enter the MSI BIOS settings. Now, you will choose the OC option over here. And you will scroll and you'll find the option called DRAM setting over here. By default, all the RAM settings are automatic. You can do based on what you need. The first one, you can adjust its extreme memory profiles. If you understand what XMP is, you can enable the option. This one, you can leave automatic. And this one is a place that you can change the RAM speed. You can see currently my RAM speed is 2666 MHz. And I can change the RAM speed by adjusting this frequency. I will choose this one. I will scroll down and change the frequency to something like 3400 over here. And now you can see the notification that I changed to 3400 MHz. And you can see from here also that I adjust the RAM frequency to 3400 MHz. After you finish your adjustment, you can save the configuration and restart your PC. To save the configuration, press the F10 button over here, or for easier for you, you just need to click the close button over here and it asks you to save configuration and you just click yes and restart your PC. Okay, that's all my videos. If my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and I will see you in my next videos.